Welcome back. My name is Jay, and in this video I have a fitness, which is a gym kind of a website. It has different pages, and I'm going to go through each page, and I'm going to start with the home page. So let me just click the home page. In the home page, it has a slider and a call to action, and this image is just in the hero section. It's wrapped in the hero section. It has a call to action taking you to the services or book a session. So if you click book a session, it's going to go to book a session, and you can put your information over here and click send. Then just in the same section, we have our premium fitness services, and in this section it has tailored programs to help you achieve your fitness goals. Remember, these are just dummy text and dummy images that I've put here just to show you how the website can look like. And it has just dummy text as well over here. Next we have testimonials. In the testimonials, it's more about the people that have been into your gym and what they have to say. Below we have a map, and which is mostly the contact page or the contact section. It has the physical location and how you can contact the gym, and on the right side it has a map. Down below we have the frequently asked questions, and if you just click them, it will be able to collapse and you can read more about every subtitle. After that, we have a contact form whereby you can just put in your information, and this information will be sent to the email inbox of the admin or the person responsible for this website. Then we have a newsletter kind of where you can put your email address and subscribe, and your patients will be able to get weekly, monthly or yearly newsletters according to the duration that you set them. Then on every page you have a footer. This is to maintain consistency in this website. And just before I forget, we have this floating book now. If you just click it, it will just bring up this pop-up of a quick booking whereby you can put your name, phone number, select the service that you would like to book, and then the preferred date, and then book a session. And this will send the information directly to the email inbox of the person responsible for this website. On the right side, we have a sidebar which is also floating. We have the WhatsApp, we have the call, we have the email, and we have this icon which takes you back to the top of the page. Then we have this floating kind of a ribbon which is mostly about an offer, and this is just to keep the user engaged in this, right? So if you just click WhatsApp, it will open a WhatsApp whereby you can send a message directly to the person responsible for this website. Similarly, if you just click the call, it will just open this dialog whereby you can pick an app to make a call. Then we have an email. If you just click it, you just open this dialog whereby you will select the app that you want to send an email using. Then after that is the services whereby you have the group training, group classes, nutrition coaching, online training, just in case you need to get to know more about these services. Next we have about us, and about us contains mostly about the information about this fitness or gym, and it gives a brief overview of the story of how it started. It also gives the missions and values, a leadership team. Remember, these are just vague or dummy text and images that are put here just to show you how the website will look like. Then we have this call to action, which is book a session and also a way to explore services. Then we have how you can join the fitness community by subscribing to the newsletters, and then we have the footer, just like we did in the homepage. Next we have the trainers with dummy text and images, which you can just fill in with the real information about your trainers and something like that. Then we have other training specializations. Then we have the book session forum. Then we have the testimonials. Then you have this call to action, which is book your first session. Then you have the newsletters. Then you have the footer, the same footer that we've been having. Next we have the frequently asked questions, and the frequently asked question has different kind of questions here. We have general questions, we have membership and pricing, then we have classes and training, then you have for beginners. So if you just want to know general questions, you just click that. If you want to know about membership and pricing, you can click that. If you want to know about classes and training, you can click that. Or else if you want to know more about the beginners, you can click that, and that will take you directly to these categories over here. Then if you have questions, you can click this contact us or book a free tour. Then you have these newsletters, then the footer. Next we have a blog page, and the blog page contains the blogs that are written by the admin. And here we have different posts. We have this featured post, then you have popular post, then you have these recent articles whereby you can just customize and put your own information by just replacing these dummy text and images over here. Next we have call to action and how you can subscribe to the newsletters just as we had. Then you have the footer just as we had. Last page you have is the contact page, and the contact page, it contains the different ways in which you can contact this gym fitness. We have the call, we have the information through the email, then we have physical visiting, then we have the contact form over here, then we have the map and how you can just visit them by knowing more about the operating hours and something like that. You can also contact or follow them in social media platforms over here. We have the book session, which you can just book and get the services that you just want to get from this gym facility. So this is basically about gym website, and this is developed using PHP, so it's very good when it comes to backend, and I'm hoping that this is something that you'd like to, and if that is the case, visit us in the website given in the description below, or you can just contact using the contact information in the YouTube description. I'm hoping to see you in the next one. Till next time, bye bye.